Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Bestway 14-foot by 42-inch swimming pool set with filter pump and more. With the Bestway Power Steel Swimming Pool, you have everything you need for an above-ground pool in your backyard. It comes packaged with a pump, filter, ladder, cover, and cleaning pole. The pool itself is designed so that you don't have to use any tools to set it up. Additionally, it's packaged with a chemconnect chlorine filter built to dispense just the right amount of chlorine for the ideal chemical balance in your pool. Product benefits includes filter cartridges for cleaner water. Pool frame is applied with a rust and corrosion-resistant coating to protect the pool from UV. The seal and lock system is a patented frame design that each joint connection is secure and won't bend or leak from the water pressure. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.